Hello kids, how are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. Today I will teach you a very special topic, that is action words or doing words. But before I start my topic, let's recite beautiful poem of action words. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Stamp your feet, stamp your feet. Listen to the music and stamp your feet. Turn around, turn around. Listen to the music and turn around. Jump up high, jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high. So children, clap, stamp, turn, jump. What are these? These all are action words. Action words are those words which you use every day. Yes, children, whatever we do or enact, that are action words. Children, from the moment you get out of the bed in the morning, you are constantly doing something with the help of your body parts. Like with the help of your eyes, you see different things around you. So, with the help of your eyes, which action you are doing? You are seeing, watching, or reading, or you can blink with your eyes. So many actions you can perform with the help of your eyes. With the help of your hands, you brush your teeth, you wash your face, you can clap with your hands, you can write with your hands. And with the help of your nose, you can smell different objects. And with the help of your legs, you can stand, walk, jump, hop, sit, crawl, and swing. You can do many activities with the help of your legs. So, children, you perform many actions in a day. The word brush, wash, drink, eat tells us what a person does. कोई आदमी क्या काम कर रहा है ये पता चलता है इन वर्ड्स से. So all these words are called doing words or action words. So the words that tell us what a person, animal or thing does are called action words. Action words are also called doing words or verbs. Children, which action you are doing right now? Yes, you are watching my video. So here, watching is the action done by you. And what action am I doing now? I am teaching you all through this video. So, teaching is the action done by me. Now, let's move on to some more action words. Look, what are these girls doing? Oh, they are playing with ball. So, which action they are doing? They are playing. Here, playing is an action word. Let's learn spelling of playing. P-L-P-L A-Y-A I-N-G Pl-A-ing playing. Children, look at this picture. What is this boy doing? Boy is reading a book. Here, reading is the action done by boy. So, reading is an action word. Let's learn spelling of reading. R says E-A-E. D says D. I-N-G-ing. E-D-ing. Reading. Let's see one more picture. What is this boy doing? Boy is standing. So, the action which is being performed by boy is standing. So, here standing is an action word. Let's learn spelling of standing. S-T, st. A-N-D, and. I-N-G, ing. St and ing, standing. What are these children doing? Children are walking with their parents. Here, Walking is the action that is being done by children. So, walking is an action word. Spelling of walking is W-A-W, L-K-K, I-N-G, ing. Walk, ing, walking. What is this dog doing? Dog is eating. So, action word is eating. Spelling of eating is E-A-E. T says T. I-N-G, ing. Eat, ing, eating. Children, what is this teddy bear doing? Teddy bear is sleeping. So, here action word is sleeping. Spelling of sleeping is S-L, sl. Double E-E. P says P. I-N-G, ing. Sl, E, P, ing. Sleeping. Children, what is this man doing? Man is sweeping. So, action word is sweeping. Spelling of sweeping is S-W, swa. Double E-E. P says P. I-N-G, ing. Swa, E, P, ing. Sweeping. Children, what is this baby doing? Baby is crying. So, action word is crying. Spelling of crying is C-R, cr. Y says E. I-N-G, ing. Cry, ing, crying. Children, now you see the picture and write correct action word for given picture. Like this. Do your work neatly. Bye-bye.